What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you how you can fix the issue of ads not being shown on your website or blog. So here's my website, right? When I click on a link, I'm not seeing the Google ads here. So the first step is that you want to go to. So the first thing you want to do is go to File Manager from the backend from your hosting company. So in my case, I'm using HostGator. So here I'm going to select File Manager. I'm going to open my www folder. Here's my ad text. Here's my ad text. And if I view my ad text, it will be showing the same information as what is shown on Google. So let's go back to Google AdSense. So this is my website. And for the ad text, this is what I should copy and paste in my website ads text, right? So I'm just going to look at the last digits to verify this. Say it's 746. And FA0. So let's go back to the ad text. 746 FA0. So this is not working for me. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete this file, skip to trash and confirm. Now I'm going to go back one level. In fact, I'm going to search for ads text and remove all of them. So here's another one. I'm going to search ad text again and I'm going to select this one as well. And I'm going to delete it. Now the next step is to go to your admin panel, right? So I'm going to go to the admin panel from our website. Under plugins, we're going to add a new plugin. And this plugin we're going to search for is Ads TXT Manager. So I'm just going to install this one here with the green background and the blue tick. So let's select activate. So once your ads manager is activated, you want to go back to Google Sites and copy this text here that should be in the ad text. Now let's go back to the plugins, right? So under settings, select add text and then paste the text here. Then select save changes. Now let's go back to our file manager. I'm going to go to the home directory. Now I'm going to search for ads text. Now you can see the location where our ads text is posted. So let's select close. Now within a few hours, your website should be able to show your ads again. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.